So my cat needs the occasional wash, but finding a soap that's truly safe for cats is so hard. I definitely want to avoid anything toxic or harsh. So I decided to make my own because I'm an expert in soap making. I'm going to use olive oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter, no fragrance, and a little bit of cat grass for a natural touch. She's got a real fluffy coat, so I'm choosing a formula that conditions her fur while gently cleansing her skin. If you'd like to preserve one for your own fur baby, feel free to send me a pre-order request.